Hey guys, episode 2. Yeah. There's a lot of players on this server. Oh crap, how am I gonna get it? Can I yeah, I can. Okay. That's great. Oh gosh. Back up. Oh, he got me. Oh yeah, that was a nice one. Whew. Yeah. Where? It's not a very good weapon. Yeah, let's see. What does he have? How do you... okay, I see. No, I don't see. Oh, there. Okay. Ooh, that was a close one. That was actually quite tricky. Hey, you're about to die. I don't know if you noticed, but... nope, I'm about to die. I am about to die. Let's get out my pistol. Holy crap, this is a soldier. Okay, let's switch to heavy, because I don't feel like, yeah, I know how to use heavy. I'm happy. I know how to use heavy. I do know how to, okay. Uh-oh. Sniper. Ah, I knew he was there. Okay, let's go with sniper. I know how to use it, but you never know. This guy. I like this guy. He's nice. I don't even know. Yeah, nice. Teamwork. Yeah, nice. Let's kill this guy. Yeah, I got that hit, but I didn't get that kill. He got that headshot. I'm happy for him. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, I'm going to put this back for you guys. Okay, we gotta kill this pyro first. I can taunt kill, but I don't want to. Ooh, that was close. Okay. Let's move this back, because I don't want it very close to the camera, so you guys can see better. There, you guys have to look at the whole screen. Oh yeah? Okay, here. Good, that looks perfect. Let's play. I can actually see it perfectly. It's quite bright. I can turn the brightness. Or, oh, I thought that guy was on my team. Let me change something. Video. Display mode, full screen. Yeah. On screen. That's right. Yep. Okay. Brightness levels. Let's turn it up so that I can see. Can you guys still see? Yeah, you can see perfectly. There you go. I can see. Okay. There you go. Now we can both see. See? Happy.
Yeah, awesome.
Oh.
He knows how to do it too.
That wasn't worth it. That wasn't worth it. Okay.
Street. Holy crap, dude!
What?
There's these like waterboards. Guess what? I mean these ships. Guess what? You can go extreme waterboarding, and they have a built-in turret like that car.
Cool. I'm kind of recording a video right now. Just playing.
You have a Just Cause 2.
Oh, cool. I can't really hear what you're saying because I have headphones on. Yeah. Where's that guy coming out? Hey, yeah, that gives me an idea. Demo man is perfect. Actually, let's go help some people. Oh. Let's heal this medic. Let's heal in this heavy. Yeah. This pyro, he needs it. He needs it. Just type something down. Okay, let's just stay in this corner. If I can get in the corner, that would be nice. Can't? Okay, this is perfect. Right here. Oops, that was the wrong button. Oh, yeah. I'm using... I'm not good at spelling. Using... I don't care. Using... I do care. Using my Xbox controller. Controller. It's a controller. Is it double tree? Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
Oh, it's probably wrong because I suck at spelling. Angie. I'm just trolling with him. I actually want to hear him. Oh, that worked very well there. I'm not actually going to be able to reconcile. I have no clue why I did that. Oh, I saw someone over there. That guy is disguised. Here, let's shoot him. Okay, that's ours. Red. Oh, nice one. It's a victory.